Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back the new video. Nobody cannot find the odd letter R between X within 8 seconds. Good start. This is the letter R. Hey genius, 70% audience failed to find the odd number 73 among 37 within 10 seconds. Wow, amazing. This is the number 73. Hello viewer, one Tuesday emoji breaks the rule. Can you find the odd strawberry emoji in just 10 seconds? Great choice, it's here. Hello my respectable viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter HP between PH within 8 seconds? Super! This is the letter HP. Can you spot the hidden unusual emoji in this group? Very fast, well done. Hey genius, can you spot the odd letter FG among GF within 10 seconds? Excellent, this is the letter FG. Which option feels out of place? Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this is the emoji. Can you solve this math question? 20 multiply 5 in just 8 seconds? Option 3, 100. Which element doesn't belong here? Can you find the odd one? You found it. That one stands out. Excellent focus. Hey guys, find the odd one out. Number 46 among 64 within 10 seconds. Boom, this is the number 46. Scan the row from left to right. Can you spot the odd one out emoji? Nice catch, awesome observation. Only sharp eyes viewer pass this challenge. Can you find the odd one out number 69 between 96 within 10 seconds? Great job, this is the number. Easy level done, medium level start. Hey my new audience, only eagle eyes can find the odd letter OPS among SPO within 15 seconds. Well spotting, this is the letter OPS. Only genius can solve this math question. 483 multiply 7 and divide by 7 in just 15 seconds. Tricky challenge, but you handled. Anybody can find the odd letter VDN between V and D within 15 seconds. Excellent, this is the letter. Can you solve this GK quiz? Largest country in Asia. Good job. Option B, China. Hello genius, can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Excellent, this is the number. Look closely, something unexpected is hiding here. Which one is it? Super, this one the odd emoji. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey Weaver, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. In this quiz, my viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji in time? Hello my gentleman viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Good job, your brain is perfect. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Hey viewer, test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Nice work. These emoji. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? One of these emojis is different. Can you see it? Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji in time frame. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Hey viewer, which emoji breaks the rule of this pattern? Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Outstanding! This is the emoji. Hey genius, can you solve this math question? 31, 8, 19 multiply 4 in just 15 seconds. Come fast, viewer. You found it? Come on, time is up. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.